Lighthouse Media, shining light on the truth.
The United States has a problem. There are not enough truck drivers. Goods aren't moving like they should. This is called the driver shortage. American trucking companies are hiring from abroad. They're looking for skilled, professional drivers to fill empty seats. For a foreign national, this shortage is a big opportunity. But the path to getting hired requires navigating U.S. immigration. Understanding your options is the first critical step. Two main visa pathways have emerged. H2b, temporary work. EB-3, permanent residency. These aren't just forms, they're different journeys. H2b, short-term, seasonal, or peak needs. EB-3, longer process that leads to a green card. Think of it like choosing a route. One short and temporary, one long toward a permanent home. Neither is better. They serve different purposes. The H2b visa is a non-immigrant visa. This means it is for temporary work. It allows U.S. employers to hire foreign workers for temporary non-agricultural jobs. For trucking, temporary can be a seasonal peak, holiday shipping rush, or a one-time need for a large-scale project. The keyword: temporary. Jobs usually last less than 1 year. This visa does not lead to a green card by itself. It's a work permit tied to one employer for a set period. Employers must first prove to the DOL they can't find enough U.S. workers, able, willing, qualified, available. Employers obtain a temporary labor certification. They advertise widely to hire locally first. They must show no harm to wages or conditions. After DOL approval, the employer files Form I-129 with USCIS. If approved, you apply at a U.S. consulate. Application, interview, background checks, then visa issuance. The EB-3 visa is an immigrant visa. This is the path to a green card. A green card grants you permanent residency in the United States. You can live and work in the U.S. indefinitely. It's not tied to a single temporary job. The EB-3 category is for skilled workers, professionals, and other workers. Truck driving typically falls under skilled workers. It requires at least 2 years of experience or training. This pathway needs long-term commitment from you and your employer. It's designed to fill a permanent job opening. Like H2b, EB-3 starts with the employer. Employers must complete a labor certification called PERM. PERM shows no qualified available U.S. workers. It requires rigorous recruitment, including newspaper ads and coordination with state workforce agencies. PERM is complex and can take many months. It's the foundation of the EB-3 case. After PERM, the employer files Form I-140 to prove your qualifications and ability to pay. Finding a U.S. trucking company willing to sponsor you is crucial. Many companies face shortages, but not all can navigate immigration sponsorship. Several known carriers have run sponsorship programs: Swift Transportation, CR England, J.B. Hunt, Schneider. Smaller but notable players recruit too: Wilson Logistics, Frey Miller, Midwest Motor Express, Holland Enterprises. Programs change. Always verify current status. Contact recruiting departments directly. Some advertise international sponsorship openly. U.S. Trucking Service, Experior Logistics. Before a company will sponsor you, you must meet fundamental U.S. truck driver requirements. The most important credential is your CDL. You'll need a U.S.-issued CDL eventually, but many employers want to see a home country commercial license now. CDL. Experience English, DOT physical. Have these ready. Provide verifiable driving experience. EB-3 typically expects 2 years of professional experience. Document it with employer letters. H2b may be less strict, but a solid history helps. Keep a clean driving record, no major violations or DUIs. English proficiency is essential. You'll communicate with law enforcement, shippers, and dispatch. Be 21 plus and pass the DOT medical exam. A clean criminal background is mandatory. Now that you know H2b versus EB-3 and the qualifications, take practical steps. Decide which path fits your goals and timeline. EB-3 if you want permanence and can wait. H2b if you want a faster, temporary route. Let that decision guide your search. Research widely and contact recruiters directly. Prepare a professional resume and documents. Consult a qualified immigration lawyer. Start your engine, do the research, and drive toward your new career.